Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at a good homeowner utility trailer for multiple uses. This is a versatile 5-foot wide by 10-foot long trailer. It's sitting on a 3,500 pound axle with 15-inch tires, all steel constructed except for the floor. It's got some tie downs. It's got 24-inch sides on it, all LED running lights. Let's walk around and take a look. First, I want to point out nice, good, solid steel fender. D-rings on top to tie stuff like a tarp or something on. Up front, it's got a nice heavy-duty cord for your lights, safety chains. Walk around this side. Heavy-duty spare tire holder if you want it. Once again, pointing out all the LED lights all the way around. It's got your gate back here. You can see inside is treated wood inside, so it won't rot quickly. It lasts a long time for you. The gate's simple. You just lift it up and close it, and you just click those on both sides like this. Bam, good and secure. You notice they put bumpers on to keep it nice for you. This one's finished in beautiful gray. If you have questions about this trailer and other trailers, or you want a different size, maybe different color, different options, we could do that for you. We could custom order for you. We specialize in that. If you have questions, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or 503-666-7300. I might mention we have a full service department open on Saturdays and our parts department. Thanks for looking and have a wonderful day.